For years, I struggled with bad breath, gum problems, and dull teeth. No matter what I tried, nothing made a real difference until I discovered ProDentim. ProDentim isn't just another dental product. It's a revolutionary chewable tablet packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and natural nutrients that work to restore balance to your mouth's microbiome. Using ProDentim is incredibly simple. After brushing your teeth in the morning, just chew one tablet. It's quick, effective, and fits seamlessly into your daily routine. What makes ProDentim so powerful is its carefully selected ingredients. Lactobacillus Paracasei supports gum health and helps keep sinuses clear. B.lactis BL-04 balances bacteria in your mouth while boosting your immune system. Inulin feeds beneficial bacteria, helping them thrive. Malic acid naturally whitens teeth, and peppermint keeps your breath fresh all day long. Within weeks of using ProDentim, I noticed real results. My gums felt stronger, my teeth were visibly whiter, and my breath stayed fresh throughout the day. Thousands of people are seeing these same life-changing results. Emily from New York says, ProDentim completely transformed my oral health. My smile is brighter, my gums feel amazing, and my confidence is through the roof. If you're ready to improve your oral health, ProDentim is the answer. Click the link in the description below and try it for yourself today. Don't wait. Your journey to healthier teeth and gums starts now.